Good morning, Rhonda. It's Colin here from Legal. Just wondering if you had time to catch up today regarding the Collins matter. I've just been reviewing the file that the USB that Law & Order uploaded into Relativity, and I've come across something that you'll find really interesting. Okay, great. I'll see you at the boardroom at 12 PM today. Hi guys, sorry to have kept you waiting. I thought it was important to meet so we could just keep everyone updated on the progress of the Collins matter. So you know how Jeremy never wanted to provide us with those email records?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Well, I think I've just discovered what I think he might be hiding. I've noticed when we supplied Law & Order with the PST files, they were able to see there was a lot more data than we initially thought. Law & Order were able to recover deleted emails from about 3 months prior to the event between Jeremy and the Ultimate Locksmiths, arranging to get a key cut for the Aston Martin.
Ah, that explains why he initially said there were 3 keys. And then he changed his story after he was interviewed by Chris Tritt. I knew he was trying to cover something up.
Exactly!
Alright, Colin, so what's the next step?
Well, I have been in touch with Ultimate Locksmiths who have confirmed that they did get another key cut and supplied a remote. If needed, we are able to get an affidavit to support this. However, I don't think it's going to come to that. What I'll do is I'll also give your solicitor Andrew Jenkins a call, and when they see how strong our defence is, I'm pretty sure they will drop this altogether. I'm fairly confident this will be the last we hear of this whole matter.